everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. By the way, this is Beda Jacob and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's content, it's gonna be a haircut tutorial video. Yes, I'm going to cut my own hair again, and I'm going to share with you guys the tips and tricks how to cut your own hair at home easily. So let's start. First, I'm going to wear this cap to protect my clothes. Like that. So these are the tools that I need. I have here a razor that is from my husband, and this will help me to cut my hair fast and easy. I also need this clip, these two scissors. This is the normal scissor and this is the thinning scissor, and also this clip. This is called a Creo clippers. To use this, just open here at the back, just like that. This will help me to cut my hair fast and easy. Of course, I need this comb. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section this hair. I'm going to divide this into two. Just like that. And put a clippers here. And also to the other side. Or I should do it like that. Moment. Oh my god, struggle is real. Should I do it like that? So. So now I comb my hair at the back, and then I take this clipper and I use the clipper to make a guide for this haircut. So I'm gonna cut my hair to this short. Be sure that you put this in the same level. Now I'm going to cut my hair by using this razor. This helped me to cut my hair fast and easy, and I wish that I will be satisfied for the result. But actually I'm not scared to cut my own hair because this is not my first time cutting my own hair. Actually I did cut my hair alone before. If you guys missed that video, just go to my home channel and check this out, or just check the description box below. I will put the link there. So let's start. I'm so excited how this looks like. Ta-da! Now we have a short hair. So I did cut my hair at the back. Now let's proceed to the front. Let's move this. And where is the comb? Cutting the hair at the front is easier than at the back. Now I proceed to this side. Okay, so let's go. Wow, wow, I think it's shorter than the other side, but it's not a problem. I can repair that. So I need to cut a little bit on this side because this is, you see that? This is shorter than here. So now I'm going to focus on the back. This is the back. It looks like not. Now I'm going to use this thin scissor. don't be scared to cut your own hair because it grows anyway. And I think it's done. Remove this cape. That's all for now, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video and you have learned something how to cut your own hair at home. And I'm gonna end a vlog here, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!